Hi friends, my name is Aruna and today I'll be discussing with you on YouTube. I'm sure we all are using YouTube as majorly for two reasons. One is to learn and second thing is for entertainment. Basically you see all videos or the searches on YouTube is how to videos, how to cook, how to learn, how to dance, how to speak different languages. So there are so many educational videos which are there on YouTube. And the second thing is majorly the entertainment. So today I'll be telling you how you can utilize such a wonderful platform to as your career, as your business. All that you need to start this particular platform, what you need to have is content, content, and content. Once you have the very good content on any topic, which is legal, okay, which is legal. Second thing, is you need to have Gmail account because YouTube is Google's property, so we need to have Gmail to create our channel. So once you have Gmail ID, you can go to YouTube and you have the option to create channel and give a name to your channel as per the industry what you have chosen, the kind of content what you are going to upload. So once that happens, then the next thing is to create videos where, good content. The content of the video should be very nice. It should be either useful for somebody to learn or it should be entertaining to someone. So in entertainment categories, just very much. If you see, it's varied. Right from comic to so many other things and all. And again, kids video is there, kids entertainment is there. Then educational video is there. So you decide which you are good at, what you can share, what kind of content, good content you can give it to YouTube. So once that happens, you will create video and on the homepage you have the option to upload videos. So you will once you click on upload videos, it will take you to the place where you have, or you have to choose the video where you have saved it or downloaded it and say upload. Your video gets uploaded within few seconds depending on the speed of your internet. Second thing, what you will be doing is giving a title to your video. Title is very very important. It should be very much relevant because your title can also become your keyword. And once you have the title, then you need to describe your video, in which also you will instill many of the keywords which will help you to appear in the top searches. So the description of the YouTube is approximately 5,000 characters, and in within that 5,000 you should tell the story what is there in the content what you have on the video. And you will also instill the keywords or the tags what people will be searching on the particular description box itself. And once the description is done, there only you will have the score. Okay, how strong is your content, whether it's average, good, commendable. So you'll get the thing. So accordingly you should keep changing. What better sentences I can use, what better different description I can use. So once that is done, the next step what you need to do is put a relevant tags or the keywords. Now example of keywords are nothing but the words or the phrases what people use in the search engine on YouTube or on YouTube search box or on Google search box. So those keywords has to be very very relevant so that the chances of your channel getting optimized is very very high. So once that is done, then you need to create a thumbnail. Now what is thumbnail? Thumbnail is the first page or the first scene what you see in the video. The moment, like when you upload the video, you have the option, it's like a book cover. So which it should be very very catchy and which also should give indication ki what kind of content or what story is there inside the video or in the content. So that should be done. And then you need to choose the language, whether your video is there in English, Hindi or any other regional languages. And then apart from this, you should also have the thing, like if it is a kids, if you have chosen a category of kids, you need to say yes, it is made for kids. If not, then whatever is the age restrictions, those you can do it. So these are a few of the simple procedures. In detail I'll be sharing my laptop screen and showing you step by step on how to create, for those people who do not know how exactly to go on. But this is I assume most of us know how to go to YouTube or have a Gmail and other stuff and all. So I feel with this it should be useful enough for all of you guys to start your YouTube channel and start uploading it. Next video I'll be coming up on key what are the things what you can do which will help you to increase the visibility, or what are the don'ts what you're in YouTube, because of which the channel may have degrowth or ban, so those kind of information. So first I want all of you guys to start your YouTube channel who has got good content or who wish to start. And if anywhere you guys get stuck, you can comment in the inbox, and maybe for that particular topic or on how to do, or you can connect with me, and I will reply you on those. Or maybe if it is informations related like how to make that particular steps or that particular content video, I'll come back to you on those also. Hope this information was useful or will be useful for all of you guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.